Hi, my name is Carlos, and today we will be talking about Newton's three laws of motion. So, the first law is that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted by an unbalanced force. This law is called the law of inertia. Let's take a look at it. So the object will stay at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same direction, like in this case. Unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So that was the law of inertia. Thank you. Now we will talk about the second law of motion. So, the second law of motion. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. Now, I'll show you.
Oops.
Okay, so I will apply the same amount of force to these two cars with different masses. As you see, the little car will go longer since the force required to move it is less than the force required to move the bigger car, which has a greater mass. Okay, now we'll talk about the third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So as I was saying, here we have a car, and I'll show you. So as you can see, the action is that I push the car, and the reaction is that the car will move on its own. So those were Newton's three laws of motion. Thanks for watching. And a special thanks to my sister Diana for helping out in the first law of motion. Have a good weekend.